Put your radio where you can hear it too, so I can talk to you.
Put it in my breast pocket.
Copy that. That's nice light right there. You got real good light for about 10 seconds.
What about 10 seconds?
You're gonna have good light for about 10 seconds.
What about 10 seconds?
Good light.
Good light.
Putting his gloves on. Something.
Alright, actually it's getting better even.
Yeah, it is getting better.
It's getting better.
Ooh, my
Sweet,
feet.
Kirk. It's opening up for him. Sick. Yeah, buddy. Looking sick, dude. Keep that nose up.
I'm scared.
Yeah. It's a big line. Nice. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Alright, you're coming into rocks. Shut her down.